To request payments using Zelle payment status, start by ensuring you have the Zelle app or access to it through your bank's mobile app. Next, navigate to the Zelle section and select the option to request money. Enter the recipient's email address or mobile number. Then choose the amount you want to request and add a note if necessary. Before sending the request, review the information for accuracy and confirm the recipient's Zelle enrollment status. If they are not enrolled, they will receive an invitation to join Zelle. Once you send the request, the recipient will receive a notification and can review the request details. As the sender, you can track the status of your request in the Zelle app. The status will show as pending until the recipient accepts or declines the request. If the recipient accepts, the status will update to reflect the payment processing, and you will receive the funds directly into your bank account. To ensure successful payment requests, make sure the recipient has sufficient funds in their account and that their Zelle enrollment is up to date. It is also essential to communicate clearly with the recipient about the payment request, including the amount and purpose of the request. Best practices for requesting payments using Zelle include double-checking the recipient's information, keeping track of the request status, and following up with the recipient if the request is pending for an extended period. By following these steps and best practices, you can efficiently request payments using Zelle payment status and streamline your financial transactions.